Welcome to Simple Lifestyle channel. Please subscribe to help me grow this channel. When you don't live right on the coast, it can be difficult to find good fresh seafood. Most of what you'll find at your local grocery store is frozen and overpriced, and what they have that's fresh is old and so expensive, you couldn't buy it anyway. Do you wish that you were able to make a fresh cod fillet, or fry up some delicious fresh bay scallops, but feel like you're never going to find them? Well, think again. Looking online for a fresh seafood combo meal will help you to find just what you're looking for, at a great low price. For someone who loves seafood, trying a new kind is always a treat. It's great to be able to experience a new flavor and texture from the ocean for the first time. If you order a seafood combo meal online, you'll be able to try up to 5 different types of fish, all without breaking the bank. This is a great way to impress your family and friends with your seafood cooking skill, and with the extravagance of trying many different types of fish. And because it's fresh, you know it will taste great. When you order seafood in a restaurant, it's often prohibitively expensive. Who wants to pay so much money for fish that you may not like, that's dripping in bad for you butter and fats, and which is probably dried out and overcooked anyway? But even if you would prefer to cook at home, say for a dinner party, it can be hard to find fish of a high quality when you're looking for the best, like tuna steak or lobster tails. With a fresh seafood combo meal, you can order them together, which saves you money and time. You can also try many new things when you're cooking at home. Have you ever thought about cooking fish on the grill? It may seem like a crazy idea, but with a tuna steak, you can throw it right on there, searing it just right so that it's still raw on the inside, but has the great grill flavor on the outside. For other types of fish, try wrapping them in a tinfoil steaming packet with some fresh vegetables for a great low-calorie meal. If you love to cook for your kids, and want them to try lots of new types of fish, a fresh seafood combo meal is a great way to introduce them. You can try flaking off some pieces of each type of fish to make exciting fish sticks, much better than that processed stuff. Either lightly bread and pan fry, or bake for more of a healthy option. If your kids are more adventurous, try baked fish chunk skewers. Fresh seafood combo meals are a great way to introduce your family to new types of fish. It's also a great way to add some great protein to your diet without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe and hit notification bell for more video.